Well guys, the day is here. It's Monat delivery time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little unboxing. These are special products. This isn't shampoo. These are other fun little goodies and I'm really excited to see and try. I haven't tried any of these products yet, so yeah. Ah! Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, they're so big. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, for starters, there's one normal product that I ordered. I still haven't tried it before. Oh! Came all packaged individually. Oh! Okay, this is a good size bottle. Like, that's a good size bottle. This is the Refinish Control Hairspray. I hate using hairspray because if I curl my hair and then I hairspray it, like, I like to be able to touch it. And I find as soon as I put hairspray in, it's so frizzy. It drives me absolutely crazy. So I'm excited to see if this works. Oh. This is the first holiday set that I ordered. I only ordered 2 of them. Let me see. Can't open it. Okay, so this one is the Purr-fectly Fabulous Masque Trio. This will leave you with luxurious, healthy-looking, soft, hydrated hair, packed in a kitty clutch and paired with a holiday-exclusive Monat shower cap. You're well on your way to holiday hair envy. There are 3 masks. There's the charcoal gel mask, and that's for your scalp. There's the super moisture mask, and then the hydrating mask, the heavenly hydrating mask. Here they are. It also comes with a shower cap. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so cute. It's nice on the inside. Okay, how cute. This is so cute, just like on its own, no? I thought this was an eye mask. Because it looks like the eyes. Like, how cute would that be? It's not. This is a little kitty clutch. Just put them in here. This is like super comfy. Oh, it was covering my ears. I couldn't hear myself. So that's my first holiday set. Okay, so this is 9 soft foam macaron sleep rollers for sweet dreams, luscious volume, and body overnight. I'm gonna try these out tonight, so I'll read the instructions and then like tell you the instructions later when I try them out. And then tomorrow morning we'll see if they work. Okay, so we're gonna start off by demonstrating one of the hair masks. This is one that I'm giving to Nick to use. Usually he could just wet his hair in the shower, but this is a PG video. So I'm just gonna wrap a little towel around him and then we have to wet his hair. So I'm gonna spray him with a water bottle. Okay, so now that our test subject has wet hair, we're gonna go in to the Masque Trio kit and grab the charcoal hair mask, the charcoal gel hair mask. So let me just tell you what this does. A purifying hair mask that helps to remove buildup and gently deep cleanses, leaving your scalp and hair feeling refreshed and balanced. How to use. On wet hair, before shampooing, apply the mask on the roots section by section, making sure to fully cover your entire head. Leave on for 5 minutes to remove buildup, absorb excess oil and impurities. Rinse while gently massaging the scalp to ensure all product is washed away. Follow with your favorite Monat shampoo and conditioner. And also this is suitable for color treated hair and gentle enough to use 2 to 3 times a week. You can use it once a week if you prefer. Okay, so let's apply this section by section. So now we're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes and then Nick's gonna go for a shower and then tell us how it feels when it's done. Okay, so I've never used these kind of foam rollers before. To start with damp or dry hair. I'm using dry hair. Comb hair into small sections. Starting from the ends, roll the hair toward the base of the section away from the face. Here's my question. First of all, I have 9 rollers, so how do I evenly divide my hair into 9? My second question is, how does this work? The hair all has to fit in there. So let's clip all of this over. Then we have 1/3 of my hair here. Then we're going to divide it into 3-ish. So this will be section number 1 is right here, okay? Oh, let's see, go over here. Okay, so then we're going to take this purple one and we go to the end of the hair, kind of wrap it in there, and then I guess we just like yo-yo it up. Is that right? How does that work? I don't think it's supposed to dangle. Somebody tell me what I'm doing wrong, please. Somebody help me. It worked. Okay, I'm feeling better. I was just gonna say I'm gonna be sleeping with these in and a mouth guard. I should have ordered 2 packs of these given the amount of hair that I have. Okay guys, so I finally put them in. They're kind of hanging a little lower than I thought. I think that maybe I needed 2 sets to get all my hair because I have quite a bit of hair. So I think I'm gonna have to sleep with my shower cap on.
Just coming out from the shower after using the hair mask, I like the way it feels. I think I'm gonna continue using it because I hope it helps with the back of my neck.
Good morning. So I slept with this on last night. It left a bit of a crease in my head. Let's take this off and see if these rollers worked. It's actually quite comfortable. Ah! Okay, so it absolutely did curl my hair. Some of them are better than others, but that's my fault for not wrapping them properly. What it says next is to brush out, like to separate all the curls. I think I'm gonna do that with like a wide tooth comb. First I'm gonna do my makeup though, and then I'm just gonna leave this kind of like clipped up for now, and I'll revisit it. The lighting sucks. I'm running late, so I'm kind of in a rush, just kind of my daily hair situation. I'm brushing this through with a wide brush comb. Oh, that's actually like super cute. Okay, I'm liking the way these rollers work. I also haven't used the Monat hairspray before. I just ordered it, so let's see. It says to use it in small bursts. Okay guys, this lighting's a little bit better. I watched the last footage back and I realized like the back sucked. I have a tendency to put all my hair on one side anyway, otherwise I just feel like, I don't know, I'm like choking or something. There's just a lot of hair. I think with a little bit more practice I might do a better job, but like this was with my hair dry. Like I didn't even make it damp first, so the actual curls are actually beautiful. So far it's a win. I'm gonna see how this goes throughout the day though. Did my hair stay curly today? No. I went to physio today and I didn't expect him to be like all up under my neck and like on my head and stuff, so my hair kind of got zhuzhed around a little, and then when I got back to work it was like real frizzy, so I was like, hey, let's just brush this 3 or 4 times. That brushed out the curl. It still has, like, you can still see it has some wave. It's had nice body all day. It hasn't felt crunchy at all. I actually really like that hairspray. It isn't a strong hold, so it's not sticky. It's really light on the hair, and it doesn't make all the hair like stick together. It's just like a soft hold. Will I use those rollers again? I actually will. I think that the more I do it, the easier it'll be to actually put them in. And then I'd actually put them in a little differently. I kind of went from like the bottom up. I think I'd lift the hair up and then roll it because I think it would give me extra volume up top. So yeah, that's my review of the rollers, and that's it for that.